right, let's do a challenge ultra. We're going to bring them in as we need them. In the beginning, you want to be more defensive. So first thing we do is we bring in 2 light bringers, put them right there, and they will kill whatever troops come from over there. Then we're going to bring in the bounty hunter. We want him to set up a line of defense right there. Just come on, deselect him. Then we want to bring in a couple more light bringers that we're going to fight with. Put them on hold. Put them on hold. Come on, stop. Okay, now we also want to bring in Jericho. Jericho will help you. He'll help defend as well. So we're done with him now. We'll just start fighting with our light bringers. Okay, we got to get some of these troops in here, otherwise they will attack my light bringers. So we got to start killing some of these troops. Come on, come on, come on, come on. There you go. Light it up. All right. What happened? You don't want to go down there. This lag is ridiculous, to be honest with you. We're going to have to get rid of this tower. He keeps on shooting us. There, got rid of him. These guys are our best line of defense till we can make a little bit of a hole here. All right, put these guys right here and put them on hold for a second because our Jericho is too far away. He will also help defend for you. All right. Now we can make some headway. All right, now we should be able to make some headway. Clear these guys out. Right now they're all shooting after the Romeros that are being hit. Oh, watch out. You don't want him to shoot you. If he shoots you, you are dead, mate. Don't be in a hurry. Take your time. Kill them as they come. Oh, somebody whacked him. Got a pretty good whack there. Probably one of the little men that walk around. He's got to slowly work our way around the base. Just kill enough so that they won't attack you, and then you come back and get the rest later. Because right now everything's going to go after. Uh-oh, something's shooting me. All right, I see it right there. Got to take him out. The rail will shoot me. Get rid of him. All right, now we're going to come down here and shoot him because these guys are just full of the little men that shoot their lasers and kill you. So they're the most dangerous thing you got in here. You got to watch out for them. If they get you, your light bringer is dead. But that's okay. All right, now we got to clear out a few of these guys. All right, let's get down here and kill a few of these barracks that keep producing the little soldiers. When you kill this guy, so okay, he's shooting me from over here. You weren't paying attention, you got to kill them. Kill this guy. A little bit of damage. Okay, see right there? You don't pay attention, you lose them. You got to be paying better attention. Come on. Bring some more in. That's what happens when you're not paying attention. Like I said, these little foot soldiers are the most dangerous of all, and if you're not paying attention, they will take out your light bringers immediately. Let's shoot a little bit over here and clear out some of those guys over there. Okay, here they come. Just clean them out. Alright, got rid of him. Those guys are gone. Let's go down here and do this. That way we can go over and kill the other two factories that are producing them. Okay, get rid of that. Let's get rid of this. There's a couple guys down here, but they may have already killed them. There you go. Take out the rail. Then there's a guy down here that he's going to come after us as soon as we take out the rail, so kill him. Alright, get rid of these guys. Alright, we got rid of the factory. There's one more factory up here we got to get rid of. That continues to produce. Alright, give them a chance to back up, go the other way. What are we at down here? Alright, we can clean these guys out. Slow as molasses this time. But again, take your time. Work your way around the base. All right, now what we need to do is we need to get him, and we need to get. Come on, see how slow the lag is? I can't even select him. Get my Jericho down here. All right, now we got to clean out the middle. And Jericho will shoot the flying stuff. Your light bringers will kill all the ground troops. Take your time and kill them. Don't be in a hurry. Where you going, man? Get over here. Don't leave me. Just slowly working our way around, get rid of them all. Now it's just busy work. I mean, basically the base is defeated, but we just got to go through the busy work of killing them all. Two minutes. Most dangerous of all these guys is the little man that walks and shoots and kills Lightbringers at the first chance he gets. The rest of them are just, they'll do you a little bit of damage, but nothing significant. We are just about done. Okay, now we'll just put it on Ruby and they'll kill whatever we haven't killed yet. Basically the floaters. That's all we have left. These guys will join in with us, but I think it's just the floaters. One mistake cost me 2 Lightbringers. But other than that, not too bad. So let's see how much damage we got. If I didn't make that mistake, 2 Lightbringers would be fine. How much time we got? Hard to say. Might be all gone. That's not too bad, because that's mainly the 2 Lightbringers. See, 43 seconds. If I didn't lose those 2 Lightbringers, and these guys got a little bit of damage. What the Lightbringers get. Okay, so less than, as you can see, Lightbringers got 3.5 minutes each damage. Generally, that's what I get. Very little damage. And what did the Jericho get? 7 minutes. Okay.